Hi there, this is now once again and welcome back to the Turkey property. So if you are looking for the comfort, then you are at the right place. This is our inquiry details. Any of the information you want, you can just contact us. Moving to the first slide, it is very beautiful and spacious area of a 2-bedroom plus 1 living room apartment with centralized AC. You can see how beautiful the bedroom has been designed. This is very beautiful designed living room with all the classic space which has been given in very attractive and beautiful look, and with all the blue mattress and curtains. This is the kitchen with all the other facilities and with all the attractions, as you can see. This is the bathroom with all the other attractions. It has been well designed and it gives very royal look. This is the gymming area with all the classic space and all the classic looks towards the yellowish light. So here is the descriptions about the apartments. Please have a look. This apartment is fully furnished with 24-hour security. With this apartment features you a basketball court, fitness gyms, pool views, covered car park, guest car park, and also this apartment is close to a spa, kids park and supermarkets. This apartment is also features you a cleaning service and technical support, so it's a fabulous apartment. Dear viewers, your concern is our priority. What kind of apartment you want? Please write us in comment.